Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.49 from page number 72 of the structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. Lifetimes of the molecule in the excited states are often measured by using pulsed radiation source of duration nearly in the nanosecond range. If the radiation source has the duration of 2 nanosecond and the number of photons emitted during the pulse source is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15, calculate the energy of the source. In this question, you have to measure the lifetime of the molecules in their excited state, and for this they are using pulsed radiation source, and it measures the lifetime of the molecules in nanosecond range, right? If the radiation is having a duration of 2 nanosecond and the number of photons emitted during this time is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15, you have to calculate the energy of the source, right? So to calculate the energy of the source, we'll use the formula energy E equal to N H nu, right? Now N is number of photons and its value is given in the question, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15, right? H is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second, right? Now we have to find the value of frequency. That means we have to find nu over here, right? So let's see the given value. We are having 2 nanosecond. That means we are having time period, right? So time period, it is 2 nanosecond, right? So formula that we can use to find the frequency equal to 1 by time period, right? Now if you see, we are having Planck's constant in seconds, right? And here time period is in nanoseconds. So what we will do, we'll convert this nanosecond in seconds so that we can proceed the calculation easily. So it will be 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9 second. In bracket you can write over here 1 nanosecond equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 second, right? So we'll put the values. So nu equal to 1 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9 second, right? 1 divided by 2, it will be 0.5. This 10 raised to power minus 9 is negative in denominator. When I'll take this value in numerator, it will change its sign. So it will be 10 raised to power 9 and this second will be second inverse, right? I just want to convert this 0.5 according to the scientific notation, right? For this, I'll assume 0 over here. So according to the scientific notation, there should be one non-zero digit on the left side of the decimal. For this, I'll displace this decimal up to 1 digit, right? So nu will be 5.0. I am displacing decimal from left to right. So power will be negative. 10 raised to power minus 1 into 10 raised to power 9 second inverse. These two powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. So frequency equal to 5.0 into 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 9 second inverse. Minus 1 plus 9, it will be 10 raised to power 8. So frequency of this radiation is 5.0 into 10 raised to power 8 second inverse. Now we have to find the value of energy. So for this, we'll see the formula energy E equal to N H nu. N is number of photon, and definitely we are having the value 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15 photons over here, right? H is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Frequency 5.0 into 10 raised to power 8 second inverse. I'll cancel this second inverse with this second. So 2.5 into 6.626 into 5, it will be 82.825. Now these powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. I'll first write the negative power. So minus 34 plus 15 plus 8. Unit I am having joule. 82.825 into 10 raised to power minus 34 15 plus 8, it will be 23 and unit joule, right? So I just want to convert this 82.825 according to the scientific notation. I'll simply displace this decimal from right to left. Okay, so if I am displacing decimal from right to left, power will be positive. So displacement is up to 1 digit. So power will be 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power minus 34 plus 23 minus 11, right? So these two powers again are in multiplication. So you can simply add them. So 8.2825 into 10 raised to power 1 minus 11, right? 1 minus 11, it will be 10 raised to power 10. So energy of the source will be 8.2825 into 10 raised to power minus 10 joule.